Hello everyone, it's Chris from 90's Vaux, and today we're going to be doing the best modification you can do to any 90's vauxhall. All you need to do this mod is a central locking ECU with a secondary plug, a bit of lube and a key that's paired to it. Now this can be done to any 90's vauxhall that's got one of these kiekert central locking modules, so mk3 astras, mk3 cavaliers, Corsa Bs, etc. These remote central locking kits can be found in Vectra Bs, Amiga Bs and mk4 astras as well. So the first thing you need to do is locate your kiekert module. It's usually behind the driver's kick panel. Now, with the kick panel off, you've got to move this little bracket, pull the foam away, and the module's tucked up behind there. There it is. So once you've got the plug removed, all you need to do is find this red wire and the main car loom. And you need to splice in the red wire off the secondary plug to get the remote side of the ECU working. Okay, so once you've got your plugs back in, you can mount the central locking module behind this bracket and it pretty much looks factory. So I've just put a new battery in the key fob and it works from at least 20 metres away. Right, that's it for today's video. Join me next time where we take a look over this very, very rotten Cavalier. Tell you the really sad story behind it as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.